AI Business Brief for February 15, 2026. Here are today's top AI tools and business intelligence stories. Next section, Tools and Launches. Next section, ByteDance's Seedance 2.0 Video Generator, powerful but legally radioactive. ByteDance released Seedance 2.0, a text-to-video AI tool that creates 15-second clips from text prompts. It's currently available to Chinese users on ByteDance's Cherny app and coming soon to CapCut globally. The quality is apparently good enough that the Motion Picture Association, SAG-AFTRA, and Disney have all issued cease and desist demands within a day of launch due to rampant copyright infringement. Users immediately started generating videos of copyrighted characters and real celebrities. What it means for you: do not use this tool with anyone's likeness or copyrighted IP. The legal situation is a mess. If you need AI video for marketing, stick with tools that have licensing agreements in place. OpenAI's Sora has a deal with Disney, for example. Watch this space but don't touch it yet. Source. Next section, Meta's name tag, facial recognition for smart glasses. Meta is exploring adding facial recognition to its Ray-Ban smart glasses via a feature called name tag. It would let you identify people you're already connected to on Meta platforms. Privacy concerns are the main obstacle slowing the rollout. What it means for you: if you attend networking events or conferences, this could eventually be useful for recalling names and connections. But expect significant privacy backlash before this ships broadly. No action needed now. Source. Next section, Business Playbook. Next section, AI in food product development. What the big brands actually get from it. McCormick has been using AI in flavor development for nearly a decade and says it's cut development timelines by 20–25%. Unilever used AI to develop Knorr's fast and flavorful paste in roughly half the usual time. A growing wave of startups, Zucca, Journey Foods, Aka Foods, are selling virtual sensory platforms that promise to predict consumer reactions before physical testing. The honest take: the big companies are getting real value, but the startups are mostly still in the data collection phase. As one food scientist put it, all the AI companies coming out are, to some extent, overstating what they can do. If you run a food business, the enterprise-grade tools from major suppliers are worth exploring. The startups? Check back in a year. Source. Next section, why software companies are scrambling to add AI. There's a $2 trillion shift happening. Pure software companies are losing ground to AI-augmented competitors. If your business sells software or digital services, you need an AI story, not because AI is magic, but because your customers are starting to expect it. The ones who integrate AI into existing workflows, not as a gimmick, but as genuine value, will pull ahead. Action: audit your product or service. Where do customers spend the most time on repetitive tasks? That's your AI integration point. Source. Next section, Industry Moves. Next section, XAI safety concerns mount as key staff exit. At least 11 engineers and 2 co-founders have left Elon Musk's XAI this week, following SpaceX's acquisition of the company. Former employees told The Verge that safety is a dead org at XAI and that Musk is actively trying to make Grok more unhinged. The company faced scrutiny after Grok was used to create over 1 million sexualized deepfake images. What this means for you: if you're using Grok or XAI's API for business purposes, be cautious. A platform with weakening safety guardrails creates reputational risk for any business that builds on it. Stick with providers that have clear content policies. Source. Next section, Computer Science enrollment drops as students pivot to AI majors. UC Systems CS enrollment fell 6% this year. But AI-specific programs are booming. USC, Columbia, and others are launching dedicated AI degrees. UC San Diego, the only UC with a dedicated AI major, was the only campus where enrollment grew. In China, nearly 60% of students and faculty use AI tools daily. Hiring implication. The talent pipeline is shifting. In 2-3 years, you'll be hiring people with AI degrees rather than traditional CS degrees. Start thinking about what AI skills matter for your business now, because that's what the next generation is learning. Source. Next section, India approves $1.1 state-backed venture fund for AI and deep tech. India's cabinet approved a fund of funds program focused on deep tech, AI, and advanced manufacturing startups. The previous iteration invested $2.8 billion across 1,370 startups. India now has over 200,000 registered startups and hosts an AI Impact Summit with OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Meta, Microsoft, and NVIDIA participating. Why it matters? India's massive market, 1 billion plus internet users, combined with serious government AI investment, means more AI tools and services coming from Indian companies. Watch for cost-competitive alternatives to Western AI tools emerging from this ecosystem. Source. Next section, quick wins. Next section, add transcripts to your YouTube videos, 10-minute task. If you post any video content, add transcripts. YouTube's auto captions are a starting point, but uploading a cleaned-up transcript improves SEO. Search engines can actually index your video content, accessibility, and viewer retention. You can use AI transcription tools like Whisper or Otter, AI to generate them quickly, then upload via YouTube Studio. This is one of the highest return on investment, things you can do for video content that most small businesses skip entirely. Source. Next section, the Boris Cherny test for AI and your job. Claude Code creator Boris Cherny on why engineering matters more than ever. Someone has to prompt the Claudes, talk to customers, coordinate with other teams, decide what to build next. If you're worried about AI replacing your role, ask yourself, are you the person who knows what to build and why, or are you the person who just writes the code? The first group is getting more valuable. The second group needs to level up. Source. That concludes today's AI Business Brief from Carolina Clear Tech. Stay smart, stay ahead.